In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Klaviyo profiles, a process that shouldn't take more than 5 minutes of your precious time. For those of you looking to manage your marketing campaigns more efficiently or simply organize your client information better, this tutorial will provide the step-by-step guidance you need to achieve just that. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is to get yourself into the Klaviyo platform. This means, of course, logging in. You'll head over to the Klaviyo page and hit that login button. For many of you, this is familiar territory, but if you're new, don't worry, it's straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you input the correct details that you registered with. Once you've filled in those fields, click on Login to proceed. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of Klaviyo. This is where the magic happens. To start the process of exporting profiles, you need to navigate your way to the right area of the platform. You can do this by clicking on the Lists and Segments option. It's here that Klaviyo allows you to manage your subscribers more effectively, segmenting them into groups based on your criteria. Now, within Lists and Segments, you'll want to identify the specific list or segment you're interested in exporting. Let's say, for instance, you're aiming to export all your SMS subscribers. You'll find the list or segment titled something along the lines of All SMS Subscribers. Click on it to select it. Once you're in the selected list or segment, look for the option that says Manage Segment, or a similar variation of that phrase. It could be represented by a set of tools or an icon depending on the updates Klaviyo might have implemented. Clicking on this will open a menu or a set of options related to managing this segment. Within these options, there's one that's particularly important for us today. Export segment to CSV. Clicking on this will initiate the process of converting your segmented list into a downloadable CSV file format. This file format is universally recognized by spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and others, making it incredibly versatile for your uses. By clicking on Export Segment to CSV, Klaviyo will work its magic in the background, compiling all the data from your selected segment into this downloadable file. Once the process is completed, usually in a matter of seconds to a few minutes depending on the size of your list, you'll have the option to download the file. This is the point where you take action by clicking on the download prompt. Choose a designated folder on your computer or device to save your newly created CSV file. I'd recommend naming the file something intuitive, making it easy to locate and reference later. After all, organization is key in marketing, and just like that, you've successfully exported Klaviyo profiles. This CSV file contains valuable data that you can use for a wide array of purposes, from analyzing your audience to creating targeted marketing campaigns. The possibilities are vast, and now with this data in hand, you're better equipped to make informed decisions. Remember, the ability to segment and export profiles is a powerful feature. It allows you to tailor your marketing efforts more precisely, ensuring you reach the right people with the right messages. Use this feature wisely and always ensure you're adhering to best practices in terms of data privacy and compliance. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to navigate your digital marketing landscape more effectively. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always something new to learn. Happy marketing, and see you in the next video.